One of the museums in the Trust care is Jackfield Tile Museum, which is the original Craven Dunnill Jackfield factory. Craven Dunnill actually built this factory in 1872. Charles Lynham was the architect, and he designed it on a dust-to-dispatch system, so a model factory where all the raw materials are brought in at one end of the site, processed, designed, fired, decorated, fired, and then sent out to the markets. And tiles that were made in this area were sent all over the world.
This site is actually really special. And the fact that we still manufacture on site here in the original factory workshops that were designed specifically to manufacture tiles in the weight that we produce today is actually unique in the world.
So the 150th anniversary of Craven Dunnill is a really good opportunity to highlight the partnership between Ironbridge Gorge Museum Trust and Craven Dunnill Jackfield. We've been working together for lots of years, and we wanted to kick off the anniversary year by restoring the name.
As part of the work that we do on site and in partnership with the Ironbridge Gorge Museum, we run in partnership together the education facility on site, which hosts over 5,000 children and adults a year, looking at key craft skills and making sure they're relevant today as they were when they were originally, used as common manufacturing process. So really this site, from a company perspective, is actually the heart and soul of where we came from. Built in 1872 and still relevant today, doing the sort of work that we were doing at that time.
They were really at the top of their game then and in fact today, and that's one of the reasons that we're just so proud to be working with Craven Dunnill Jackfield, because the fact that they are in their original factory making tiles of such amazing quality and standard, but also working with the next generation of artists, designers to keep those skills alive is something that's really important for the Trust.